Okay, I have my second book covered as well, and I'm just gonna place it right here next to it. Let's do the tree ring pour. Why are we doing same stuff? We're gonna go with white. Because the paint is not really runny consistency and you saw that it's moving really slow, I'm just gonna use this paint to cover the book, so my paint that I'm gonna pour the tree ring will actually move faster and without a problem. Let's spread the goodness. Huh. That's not what I expected, honestly. Like, the paint was, yeah, I guess the mistake was done because the paint, this is not what I expected at all. Damn it. I mean, it looks good, but not what I wanted. I mean, I kind of like this area. Okay, I'm not fond of this painting and this cover at all. So, bye. So I've mixed my colors, except this one, the middle one. So I just have pink, lime, and purple. And of course we have our white color. We are going to try the tree ring pour again. The paint is actually much more runny. I mean, not much, but runnier. It has the silicone. The first thing that we're going to do, we are going to put white. And now I will actually do the big chunk. So now our book is half dry, so I'm just gonna use a bit of this paint to make it runny again. And now we'll do the tree ring. Pour white circles. Hopefully it's not gonna be ruined. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I mean, it's kind of moving again, and now it's actually much better. Imagine before it was all green, now it's gonna be all pink. I will miserably fail. Okay, I really like this part. Like, yes, love it. love it. So actually, let's go the opposite side. Don't like this pink, like I like those. So let's move slowly here. Yes, there you go. So because I got this little piece detached from the whole piece, I'm actually gonna use quick dry tacky glue